Hey guys, this is Igal of Kakao Academy channel, and today we are gonna be calculating factorial of a non-negative integer n. So according to the explanation I was able to find on the internet, in mathematics, the factorial of a non-negative integer n, denoted by n exclamation point, is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. Here I brought some examples. So factorial of 4 would be 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which results in 24. Same with 5, result in 120. We've got two ways to calculate factorial, and if you asked this question during your interview, consider yourself lucky, because you've got several ways to present a solution. So first of all, let's break into non-recursive solution. Let's create a new function. Return type value of int, call it calc factorial. Let's take int as a parameter. Alright, so what do we do here? Here we're going to introduce another variable and call it a placeholder equals number. Okay, and to get rid of the error right here, we're going to say return placeholder. Okay, almost done. What do we do next? So basically, as we look at the example right here, we see that we take the number, we subtract 1, multiply, subtract 1, multiply, etc., etc. So here what we want to do is say while actual number is more than 1, do the following. Say num minus equals 1 and placeholder multiply equals num. Okay, so here we assign a value of a number to the placeholder from the beginning. So our really first iteration would be the actual number multiplied by number minus 1 until we reach the point the number is no longer more than 1. Let's test our solution by outputting a result of our calculation. Calc factorial 4, and let's do calc factorial 5 just to make sure. Let's try to run our code. 24, 120. Awesome. Looks like our solution works. So once again, this is a non-recursive solution. Quite simple. Just look into it, try to understand each of the steps and conditions, and you'll see that it's not that complicated. Let's try a recursive solution. So instead of this, so if you recall from one of the other exercises dedicated to recursion in Java, we said that first we define a breaking point, right? So we say if our number equals to 1, we return 1. Okay, in all other cases, we say that we would like to return our number multiplied by calc factorial number minus 1. That's it. So here we say we multiply the number by a return of a calc factorial function, the same function we're working with right now. with a parameter number -1. So if we go all the way down, return of the function with parameter 1 would be 1. We're going to multiply it by 2, and we're going to increase by, and so on, so on. So looking backward, we're going to build up from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, all the way till we reach 24. Okay, let's try our solution as well. Okay, awesome. Looks like it's working. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.